learners, welcome to today's lesson on religious and moral education. I'm Auntie Abigail. I hope you are washing your hands regularly with soap and running water. In our previous lesson, we talked about what a family is and what it is made up of. We said a family is a group of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption, and we explained that. And we said that in Ghana there are two types of family. That is the nuclear family and then the extended family. And we know what an extended family is made up of. And then the nuclear family, what it is made up of. Good. Today we are going to talk about roles of members of the family. And we are going to start with roles of parents. So what our parents have to do in the family we find ourselves in. Parents have their responsibilities and children also have their responsibilities. But before we go to children, we are going to talk about parents. Good. Roles of parents. Roles are responsibilities we perform as members of our families. So as members of our families, we have responsibilities to perform. Whether you are a child or an adult, every family has responsibilities that each member of the family perform. Every member of the family has his or her roles to perform. Moral roles of parents. So in this role, we are going to talk about the moral roles. So it means there are two types of roles: moral roles and spiritual roles. We will talk about spiritual roles in our next lesson. Moral roles of parents. Some moral roles of parents are: 1, to provide a place we call home or shelter. So it is the responsibility of our parents, not we as children, the parents, to provide a home, a place we call home. As children, we have to get a home, that is a shelter to live in. 2, to provide food, water, and clothing. So it's the responsibility of every parent, that is the mother and the father, to provide food for every member of the family, water for every member of the family, and clothing, what we are supposed to wear to cover our bodies. 3, to provide good education for us. So our parents are supposed to provide good source of education for us. To provide security or protection. We are supposed to feel safe when we are with our parents. And they are also supposed to teach us how to be respectful. The upbringing of every child is the responsibility of their parents. So parents are supposed to bring up the child in a manner that everyone will know that the child is a respectful boy or a respectful girl. Parents also teach us how to tidy up our rooms in the house. So as parents are supposed to teach children how to be neat. Our environment are supposed to be neat so that we can be healthy. And parents teach children what is good and what is bad. So parents have the responsibility of training up the children or bringing up the children in a manner to respect people, to know what is good and what is bad, not to be going around and stealing things, not to be going around and pinching their friends and taking things that are not for them and insulting their friends and doing bad things outside. Everyone is supposed to be trained in a way that everyone that sees you will know that your parents are training you well. So what we have mentioned are called the moral roles of parents. So every parent, your parents, are supposed to do these things and many more for you as children. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.